Hey man, another one of them classics are currently sitting literally everywhere, but nonetheless, bruh, still a very dope sneaker. And today, we doing a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 3 Fears, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Your boy's excited, bro, because it's another one of those sneakers that like kind of shows you how, the hype, the love for them classic colorways that dropped back in the day kind of just totally fell off. No more hype. Nobody cares about them. They only want stuff like these right here, bro. They want stuff like this. They see the resale high and want to add these to the collection. But the Air Jordan 3s is a fire colorway, and I knew I had to have them as soon as I seen that they were dropping in 2023, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. I need everybody to let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Fears today. Super interested in knowing who passed, who waiting. And I don't blame you if you are waiting, because this is another one of them sneakers just like the Air Jordan 4 Olives that might be going on sale very soon, man. And you guys see the tee, bro. Y'all see the tee, right? Y'all see the tee, right? It go perfectly with these Air Jordan 3 Fear guys, man. You guys already know who had the dope collab, the dope collection today, and it is OutRank Brand. And something that's special happening this weekend is a 35% off discount code for all of OutRank's gear. Everything on OutRank's website right now is 35% off. You guys can stock up on a bunch of these nice tees to go with your sneakers, because you might got the sneakers, but do you got the actual clothes to go with it, bro? That's the huge question right there. And if you don't, go check out OutRank Brand right now. Use my code TheVintage and save 35% off for a limited time only. It's only happening this weekend up until Cyber Monday. So take advantage of it. 35% off is a huge steal. And they also dropped a dope hoodie, bro. You know we in that fall winter time frame, so the hoodie, they got to go perfectly with the Air Jordan 3 Fears as well. And if you like me, bro, I'm quick to throw in the hoodie to go with my kicks, and OutRank has us covered with the merch they have been dropping with these sneaker releases, man. So use my code TheVintage, say that 35% off, and go run it up, man. And bam, man, there we have them, bro, the Air Jordan 3 Fears. And I gotta apologize, you guys. I was supposed to drop this on feed already just to give you guys some sizing tips. And I've been saying it, pretty frequently lately. Go up a half a size on some of these sneakers, especially Air Jordan 3s, Jordan 5s. And I got a size 9.5 in these right here. Go ahead and check it out. You guys know I usually rock with a size 9, but I'm telling you, but that 9.5 felt perfectly when I was doing it on feet with these things right here. And I threw a couple different pants options with the Air Jordan 3 Fears, and all of them went pretty good together. I didn't find the best one. I just found a lot of good ones to go with the Fear 3s right here. So real quick, let's go ahead and check out the box. You guys see you got a whole bunch of different writing over there. Got a nice little gradient vibe to it, with the cement on the bottom leading up to a darker cement up top. And you have the huge orange Jumpman up top, man. The official color reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Night Stadium and Total Orange. And again, like I said, I got these in 9.5. And they get any extra laces, pretty plain Jane on the inside. And yeah, but nonetheless, bruh, box is super dope, but we ain't wearing the box today. And go ahead and check out how I lace these things. Kind of a loose lace style right here, so you guys can see. Dropped it down right before the highest lacing section on these Air Jordan 3s, and kind of dropped it down with a nice loose lace vibe to it. I was gonna do like, a really loose lace vibe, but it didn't kind of sit right with this sneaker right here. So this is what I rocked out with, man. But you guys see, like I said, no extra laces with these, just regular black laces. But I'm pretty sure you can, lace swap these with some orange laces, some white laces, maybe even some gray joints, and I might actually give it a nice little pop as well. Man, that nice nubuck all the way around the sneaker is a very nice hit. It's a darker gray, and then leading to the heel of the sneaker, you got the orange Jumpman on the back with the Air underneath. Would have been dope with a Nike Air. Nah, I'm just joking, bro. You can't throw a Nike Air on everything, man. And something they did do good with the Fear 3s is matching the cement on the heel right here. Check it out. And even on the toe box, bro, you didn't get any mismatch colors in the elephant print. got a nice consistent elephant print around both of these sneakers right here. And I only say that because the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, which is still the best sneaker of the year, has some terrible quality as far as that elephant print, but these right here, A-okay, man. You got your orange hit on the air unit of these things, and even checking out some of the lacing system, man, you got some orange hits on the top and then towards the lower portion of the lacing system. After I did the on feet with a couple different pants, I was gonna get like a harsh crease in the toe box, but you guys can see, man, I wore these things for about 30 minutes a day during on feet, but you might tend to get that harsh crease once you're wearing them over time, just because of the material that it did throw on these Fear 3s. And just like the box, man, you kind of got that gradient gray going towards the back to the black with the speckled effect going around it. I think that transition is very clean and just complements well off this classic Air Jordan 3 Fear colorway. And then checking out the outsoles, of course, you got your Jordan in the back. You have an orange tab towards the front of the toe box. And then flipping the sneakers around, you guys can see, brother, huge orange Jumpman on the tongue as well, man. And I've been telling y'all, this is my first time ever seeing the Fear 3s in hand. I did see them, you know what I'm saying, growing up on a couple people's feet, and this has always been a dope sneaker for me to obtain to the collection. So they brought them back out in 2023, along with a bunch of other classic colorways. You got the Playoff 8, you got the Air Jordan 13 Wheats. I can keep going on and on down the list, bruh. And I feel like Jordan Brand's been doing a good job as far as bringing some of those classic colorways back to, I ain't gonna say OG sneakerheads, but to all of us in general, bro. Giving everybody a fair shot at adding a pair of shoes to the collection that released a long time ago, being the Air Jordan 3 Fears right here. So let me give you guys another 360 of the sneaker. Again, please let me know down below in the comment section, man, if you secured these things. They're currently sitting everywhere, and the best spot to go is check and see if I'm gonna be sitting is on the Nike Sneakers app. A couple of those big sizes that did sell out, but as far as the mass majority of the sneakers and sizes, they're literally on Finish Line, Champs, Foot Locker, Sneakers. Ever you want to check, they have these bad boys sitting, man. So if you want to wait till they go on sale. I don't think that's a bad idea, but just don't wait too late, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Hit you guys a nice little B-roll, quick little overview of the sneaker. All in all, awesome sneaker. Like I said, had to have them. I know there's a lot of people out there watching today's video, probably on the fence as far as copping them, but like I said, you can't wait, but don't wait too late. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. I know it's about 100, 200 people that's been watching the channel that haven't hit that subscribe button. So if you're one of those people, man, please do your boy a solid, hit that subscribe button and leave a huge like on today's video, man. I appreciate all of the support. Again, thanks so much for pulling up. And with all this being said, man, let's go ahead and throw these Air Jordan 3 Air things right on feet, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.